Okay, so yeah, I got this message about AI trading, and I get a few of these. This is from Elizabeth. Uh, yeah, so she seems to think the AI is going to give, this is inviting me to a Zoom meeting. It's going to give you a good rate of return. They're going to give you tips to invest in, and you will make a good return. And this is what concerns me here. It says it's insured. So I'll just play a voice message here.
Hello, Anthony. Yes, it is possible because the company Three Win Wealth Fund is set up in a partnership with the exchange called Grokr, Grokr, which it tells you online who set it up. It's been going about 5 years, about 20 billion US dollars going through it all the time. And basically, the company Three Win Wealth Fund have contracted with Grokr to improve, to provide liquidity from investors and to ensure the trade signals that they give the investors. They've got the deal benefit for the investors is that all the signals they receive from the company are AI generated through a professor who's an expert in crypto trading online. And so he's responsible, Ron Rogers. And so they have indemnity insurance because the AI monitors how accurate it's proving to be, when the live time trades are happening. And they were coming out last month at 97.6% accurate. And then it went up to 99.7% accurate. So even a shortfall of risk is covered by a hedge fund, which is 10 million. So the company, if the trade fails, and it's only done that once, which was yesterday, they will compensate you and indemnify you. So they make it up from the exchange, the shortfall, to correct it. So that's what happens, and that's what they're doing. So that's how it works. So just to let you know that that's how they insure it. So yeah, take a look at it. It's the best thing I've seen, and people are getting a substantial amount of money from this, and it does seem to be working amazingly well. It's consistent, and because it's trading fluctuations, so you get paid if the market goes up or down, and the AI is generating the signals which the company accepts responsibility to supplying you with, and in return they get a commission on both investments, and they pay bonuses to you for how much you invest in giving them liquidity, and they also get paid for withdrawals, and they get paid on signals generated to the exchange by the exchange itself. So it's a win-win on all three sides. Does that make sense?
Okay, so they can have a 99% win rate based on the AI signals through the Professor Rogers. So I'm not sure if Rogers is the one doing it or is the AI. But anyway, sounds very convincing. But why would they need money from investors if they can win 99% of the time? So I had a little back and forth, and then I decided to um, ask the AI. So I use the Doc AI, which is on Doc.go, and it says, if you made 10% a day on £1,000, how much would you have after a year? And it says, so that's one trade a day. It comes up with a figure of a grand 37,783 pounds and 43 pence. I then went to the AI and I said, okay, what happens if I trade twice a day? It's getting a little greedy, right? 99% win rate, you got to trade twice a day. So it works out some figures here using some fancy compound interest. And bingo, are you ready for this? You would have one zero zero, like, I don't know what to call this number. It's a squillion or I don't know. This is some uh, stratospheric number. So this thing can't work. It's not possible, and nobody can insure you for trading. 90% of all traders lose money, and that doesn't include those who break even, and that doesn't account for the time you spend trading. Trading is a loser's game. Find me one trader in my 35-year career in finance who's making money consistently long term. They don't. Traders make money from commissions that they trade off your money, whether they win or lose, they gain. And that is trading. If they could make money consistently, they wouldn't need you and me to put our hard-earned money. So if you like something, you find something wonderful, just buy it and forget it. Stop this trading up and down bullshit. It's not gonna get you anywhere.